I have prepared a drawing here. I'm going to ink this and we are going to color it later. I'm going to put some lines in here for the feet of David. I'm going to put some lines also here in his shirt. What do you think of it? And then I'm going to start inking now. I'm going to start. Where do you think I'm going to start? At the nose.
Yeah, horse.
Yeah. And then next is the eyes. I'm going to make the eyes bigger. You know why?
Yeah.
Why? So that it's look like a kid.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put some eyebrows. The left eye. Okay. And then his face. David's face. And then I'm going to put his beautiful smile. David is smiling on us. Oh, is it pretty?
Yes.
Okay. And then his ears. Next is his hair. Okay.
His hair's gonna look.
We're going to put some headband to organize his hair. There you are. Okay. His hair is a little bit wavy.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay, here it is. The other ear. And now we are going to speed up a little bit the drawing so that we can color it. Are you excited to color David?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are going to help me, okay? You're going to suggest some colors, okay? We're going to speed up now the drawing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, almost done now. I'm going to put some shadows again to make it a little bit 3D, to make the illustrations more looks pretty. And then there it is. We are done in drawing David. So, is it pretty now, Awit? Oh, by the way, Awit is my little girl. He will help me color this one.
Well, guys, I'm the only sibling because I have 3 older brothers.
Yeah, she was the only baby girl here.
I'm not a baby, I'm just a kid.
Okay, you're a kid. How old are you now?
8.
Okay. We're going to erase the pencil so that it will not mess up with the color. We're going to erase it. It's speed up time. Okay, now here is the color. We're going to color David, his shirt, his eyes, his ears, and everything. Okay, baby? You're going to help me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start coloring of his hair. Is it okay? The orange one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just brown.
Yeah, a little darker orange. Mm-hmm. Okay. Some color of his hair in here. Make it pretty. Okay. Some shadows.
Yeah, shadows.
Yeah, of his ear.
That look like in real estate.
Yeah, very good. You know how to color. You know how to make the drawings realistic in terms of coloring. Okay. And then
And we're gonna do the
okay. Next is the headband. Okay.
I'm just gonna about to say that.
Okay.
We're gonna do this outfit in the end.
Okay. This is brown. Is it brown, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. And then a little bit brown here.
Yep.
Easy, so that we are not going to mess with the color. Headband is done. Okay. Next is his belt. It is made of leather, so it is also brown. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
And don't forget the thing.
What?
Forget the shoes.
Oh, okay.
And
the sandals, I'm going to color it now. This is the tali. What is tali? The cord of his sandals. It is tali in Filipino. By the way, guys, we are a Filipino. And Awit is Filipina because she was a girl. Okay, I'm going to color the sandal of David. Okay, here it is. A brown. David has a leather sandals. He always wear it so that his feet will not be scratches by the ground or anything that is sharp. Oh, it's hard to color his sling. I'm going to try this one. Okay. The sling is brown also. You want to color out? Later? Okay, later. Okay. Here is his sling. A leather sling that is brown. And then what? Leather is It is the skin of a cow.
Oh, wait, what? Skin like a cow?
Yeah, leather.
It's gonna make me a little bit funny.
Yeah. The skin of David is a little bit pale, but it's okay. I don't have any color. So we are going to use this. A little bit pale on his skin, but don't worry, guys.
And it's difficult to do over his eye because my father put a little bit of skin in the eye.
Yeah.
In the bottom.
Sorry.
You can see it.
Okay. Okay. Then on his hand, we're going to color the hand of David with flames. Okay, we are going to adjust a little bit to speed up the process. There we go. So it's almost done. We're just finishing up of some colors in Dave's hair. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being with us.
I hope you subscribe this video and give us a comments.
Okay, leave a comments on what are we going to draw next. Okay, thank you, guys.